Okay. Now what I'm trying to tell you, these are the document object model. These are the CSS file which developer has created. We wanted to work with this CSS file, this document object model or this DOM to inspect our element. As I told you, this locator we wanted to find here itself. Whatever control we wanted to work. Let's suppose I want to work with these text boxes. Then how I want to click here, I want to single click here mouse and I want to drag till here. Once I drag, it will be one line automatically highlighted. If I go here or right button press and if I inspect here, there are one line highlighted here. Look here, if I mouse over here, it will be this text box will be automatically highlighted. Correct? This text box will be automatically highlighted. So what happened with these text boxes? So the first things, whatever you are seeing input means text boxes. So input is nothing but as a tag name. Whatever you are seeing, the first things input, it is a tag name. You want to input something. These are the tag name, the type or class or name or ID, whatever you are seeing here, these are the attribute. So type is a attribute, class is a attribute, the orange color name, whatever you are seeing, that is the attribute, name, ID, data test ID, these are the attribute. And these are the nothing but attribute value. The type is email is attribute value. Input text box login from input text box, these are the attribute value. These are the attribute values. So if I go here, the first is tag name, then second it will be attribute, and third attribute values. We wanted to work with this locator. So if I go with my locator, I want to search the first priority ID. Somewhere I am seeing ID over here. Correct. I'm seeing ID here. Right? So ID is nothing but attribute and ID value is an email. So the email is the attribute value. I need to double click here. If I double click here, you can able to copy this email will be selected, highlighted, and you can able to copy this email. Just right button and copy this. Right button and copy this. Why I have choose ID? Because as a first preference will be ID. I'm putting here. If ID is not there, then I will be go for the name. Correct? And name is not there, then I will be go for the XPath. I will teach you the XPath and other things. So now I'm having email. So I need to double click on this email. Right button, copy, paste it here. So what is this? These are the ID locator. I want to handle this text box with this attribute and this attribute value. So ID text box, right? So for that purpose, I need to go to my code. So Facebook URL is opening here, correct? Let me one more time check whether Facebook is open or not. The site is not reached. Unexpectedly close the connection. Okay. Let me check whether website Facebook is opening or not. Something is here. Let me rerun. Yeah, anyway, it's opening, right? So I will put some maximize code here. After that, I will write my code. Now, what I want to do, as I told you, I want to add something in text box. I want to add something in email text box. I click, right click, inspect, go here. I choose ID as a name, correct? The code itself to handle this code text box is driver, which we have create object driver dot find element. There are two find element. If you see in find element and find elements, when we have list, then we wanted to go with the find elements. But as of now, just keep in mind you want to go with the web element as a find element using the web driver. Driver dot find element by dot id, because we have choose the id, right? In id, in double quote, I want to put the email. Just copy, go, enter email. And now what I want to perform action, I want to enter here something, right? I want to enter here. So for entering something, I have in Selenium, the ready-made function is send key. Okay, send key. Here, if I put here testing, double and close it. What happened over here? Driver is web driver object. Driver dot find element. What find element? By ID, because we have some locator. We choose ID and then we go to here Facebook, and here also we got the ID, right? So both are the matching field. Like go here, inspect here, go to the particular things. I got one matching id is a email, so I just wrote driver dot find element by id as an email, then send key as a testing. That's it. The similar way I want to find password, similar thing. I want to right button click, I want to inspect. Either you can go here or there is spyware tool, you can just click here and drag to this particular text box. It will be highlighted here. Once this line will be highlighted, if you look here, the both text box and this line will be highlighted. If I go here, email or phone number will be highlighted. If I look here, email or password. If I go here, these options will be highlighted. If I go here, these options will be highlighted. In this here, in this tag name, attribute and attribute value, go with our locator id, name, css selector, whatever the locator we have, choose this. We have name, we have id, correct? So we can double click here, copy these things, go with notepad at the initial level, paste it here, go to the code, write here driver dot find element by how we can find this, using id, and the id name itself is pass. Copy these things, in double quote paste it, and then send key. What happened? We are sending some keys over here. I am putting here some dummy data, web driver. Okay, let me run this code and let me see whether this testing itself is going into the username and web driver itself is going on password or not. Let me run this code. It's hit the Chrome, hit the facebook.com. It will maximize now, and look here, enter, right? So testing and whatever the password we have, it's already entered, correct? Now what happened, if I close here, it will be quit as well. So someone, I think Sonal, asked me how to wait for some time, right? So Selenium will be working very fastly. It will be open, it will be maximized, it will be entering, and it will be closed as well within the fraction of the second. Now I connected via mobile, so it will little bit slow, but if we are having internet fast connectivity, it will be working, it will close as well. So Sonam just asked me before class how we can wait for some time, how we can halt for some time, right? So there is one code thread dot sleep. What happened with this? Let me put 5,000. Let me show you. Let me put firstly 7,000. So 7,000, it's a millisecond. It will be happening in the 7. Look here. So it will be enter username, password. It will be wait. It will be a halt. It will be a stop for 7 milliseconds, and then it will be a quit the window. For understanding purpose, I put 7. Yeah, it will be a look. It will be a wait for whatever the time we have provided, and then it will be a close. Correct? Sonam got it right?
Got it.
Yeah. So for temporary purpose, we are halting, we are sleeping, we are waiting 7 milliseconds for this window. Even that, there are more other option as well. There are implicit wait, there are explicit wait, there are fluent wait, there are condition wait, there are other things as well. But I don't want to confuse as of now. Step by step we will be go once we go into that topic, I will explain you that everything. But just keep in mind, thread dot sleep is a we can say it's a temporary sleep, or it will be a store some memory, whatever the time we have provided. So thread dot sleep, it is not a proper way to give the wait or halt particular time. So for time being, time purpose, or any condition is not working for checking purpose, we can use that. Is this clear?
Yeah, it is clear.
Okay. Now one part is there. Now we know, we learn how to work with the text box as well. Now I have button. I want to click on the login button. So for that, we need to add, one second. Okay. So now I have login button. I want to work with login button. I want to hit this button, right? Let's say suppose if I put something here, if I put something here, if I hit on the login button, what will be happen? The window will be redirect to the other window. Look here, the change is happening over here. This window will be redirecting. So my internet speed is slow, so that's why it's, look here, it's loading still. Yeah. So this window is redirecting to the other window. You got it right, what I want to tell. If I want to put here something, if I want to put here anything, if you put correct username, correct password, and click on the login, it will be a enter, it will be a login to your Facebook page. But if I put some dummy data, it will be a redirecting to the any other page. For demo purpose, I am not putting my proper or correct credential. For demo purpose, I am putting some fictitious data, some wrong data to understand. You can put your proper data and you can check it. Okay. As of now, I want to tell you how to work with the button itself. The same thing, I want to right click. I want to inspect. There are some DOM, tag name, attribute or attribute value. Go with R locator, check. The first reference is ID. Check here, ID is there, value is there, login is there, type is there, ID is there, correct? ID is there. Something control should be there. If there is no control, then we have other locator. I will teach you afterward. But now I got the ID. Double click, copy, go to the notepad, paste it. Go to the code, write the similar code, driver find element by dot id double quote, go to the notepad, type, copy, paste it here. Instead of the sending key, now I don't want to send key, I want to the click on that button, right? So click is a direct method. You can provide the click. So what happened? It will be enter username, it will be enter WebDriver, and once the automation will be click on the login button, it will be a redirect to the any other window. Let me rerun and let me show you. Let me block this tweet. Okay, one mistake we did here. Let me open Facebook. We choose wrongly. If I go here, if I inspect this, okay, I chose the path is different. If I go here, look here, the button is highlighted over here. I need to choose ID from here, not from the UL. I just copied, again pasted. This is the wrongly pasted. Again copy, go to my code and remove this and paste it here. I just blocked tweet so you will be understand the page is redirected or not. Look at left side top side corner, correct? The window is redirected to the second page. Got it? Any queries? Sonam, Sriyash, Gopi, Diksha, Abhay?
No, currently I
I'm
don't
good,
have any query.
Sandesh.
Uh,
Sandesh, one quick question. Is there any possibility that we have same values for ID, right? Basically, multiple occurrences are there with the same value. Is it possible or that is not possible?
Correct. It is possible. It is
Okay.
possible in the real time, in real condition, in the real scenario. If we have similar ID in both control, then we need to choose a different way. We need to choose a different locator. So that's
Mhm.
why I told you we have 8 type of the locator. So for ultimate, our goal is to find particular control and work with that control. If text box is there, I want to enter something. I want to send key. If button is there, I want to hit on the click button. If something drop down is there, I want to choose some particular value. So while working with different control, if you have similar or same ID, then you need to go with the different location. You need to go with the different locator.
Okay.
In real time condition, if that happen, then you need to choose that different things.
Got it.
Diksha, do you have any queries?
no, not right now. After I'll do it now, then I'll ask.
Okay, Gopi.
Yeah, Sandis, can you show one example for CSS selector locator?
Yeah, for other control, I will show you. Today I've shown you only ID. That's
Okay.
it. Other control
Okay.
we need to work with the different combination. So the different combinations, if I explain you right away, then this will be a might be in the first 2-3 lecture it will be confused. So that's why I have
Okay.
not
Okay.
chosen that the combination part.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Fine.
Yeah. Srihash, do you have any queries? Sonam?
No, no. I
Oh,
currently I'm okay.
okay. Okay. So for theoretical purpose, these three classes, whatever we have created, I'm copying and I'm sending you right away on Skype. I'm stopping recording.